Hi friends, welcome to my channel Journey of Indian Literature. Indian Writing in English. History of Indian English Literature. History and growth of Indian English literature and the famous writers and works. It's a very interesting topic. History and growth of Indian English literature. Also referred to as Indian writing in English. It is the body of work by writers in India who write in English language and whose native or cognative could be one of the numerous languages of India. Its history begins with R.K. Narayanan, Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao and many other writers. It also associated in some cases with the members of Indian diaspora. It is frequently referred to as Indo-Anglian literature. Although some Indo-Anglian works may be Indian literature encompasses. Now let's get started. Now let's see the major writers and their works. R.K. Narayanan. Next we are going to say about R.K. Narayanan. The unbeaten brat will remain unlearned. These words were told by R.K. Narayanan, an Indian writer known for his work set in fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature, along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. R.K. Narayanan's first novel was Swami and Friends, published in the year 1935, The Bachelor of Arts, 1937. These both set in an enchanting fictional territory of Malgudi. His novel The Guide won him the National Prize of Indian Literary Academy, the highest literary honor. And in 1980, he was awarded the A.C. Benson Medal by the Royal Society of Literature. And in 1982, he was a honorary member of the American Academy and Institute of Arts and Letters. Some of the works of R.K. Narayanan: The English Teacher, The Bachelor of Arts, The Dark Room, The Vendor of Sweet, The Financial Expert, Writing for Mahatma, My Days, A Tiger for Malgudi. And also An Astrologer's Day, Malgudi Adventure, The Next Sunday, Mysore, The World of Malgudi, Town Called Malgudi, Tales from Malgudi and Memories of Malgudi. Many works were of Malgudi. What's next? Next we are going to say about Sarojini Naidu. A greater courage in speech and earnestness in action. These words were told by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, an Indian political activist as well as a poet. A proponent of civil rights, women's empowerment, and anti-imperialistic ideas, she was an important personality in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. The Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu studied in the University of Madras at the age of 12 and studied at King's College, London, and later at Girton College, Cambridge. Sarojini Naidu also led an active literary life and attracted notable Indian intellectuals to her famous salon in Mumbai. Her first volume of poetry, The Golden Threshold, followed by The Bird of Time, and she was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society of Literature. Works of Sarojini Naidu: The Golden Threshold, The Bird of Time, The Broken Wings, Songs of Love, The Village Song, Songs of India, Speeches and Writings of Sarojini Naidu. Also, Songs of Nature, Songs of Life and Death, Songs for Spring, The Broken Wings. Many songs were contributed to nature. What's next? Next we are going to say about Rabindranath Tagore. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water, told by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher, and painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as an Indian art and contextual modernism in late 19th and early 20th century. Author of the profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse of Gitanjali, he became in 1913 the first non-European as well as the first lyric to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Tagore wrote novels, essays, short stories, travelogues, dramas and thousands of songs. Tagore's non-fiction grappled with history, linguistics and spirituality. He wrote autobiographies. His travelogues, events and lectures were compiled to several volumes. Some of the works of Tagore: Gitanjali, The Home and the World, The Post Office, Broken Nest Korbala, The Gardener, The Realistic of Life, The Religion of Men, The Golden Boat, and Chaturanga. Next, we are going to say about Nizam Ezekiel. My mother only said, "Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children." The famous line was taken from by the poem The Night of the Scorpion, one of the masterpieces of Ezekiel. He was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, and art critic. He was a foundational figure in the post-colonial India's literary history, specifically for the Indian poetry in English. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy in 1933 for his collections, Later Days Psalms, by the Sahitya Academy, India's National Academy of Letters. Ezekiel has been applauded for his subtitled, restrained, and well-crafted diction, dealing with common and mundane themes in manner with a manifest both cognitive profundity as well as unsentimental realistic sensibility. Some of the poems of Ezekiel are The Couple, A Time to Change, Philosophy, The Professor, Soap, Marriage, In the Country Court, and Island and Night of Scorpion were the very masterpiece of Ezekiel. Next, we are going to say about Anita Nair. People forget what you give comes back to you. Play as much as you want, but don't forget life is full of surprises. Today you are laughing, tomorrow it will be my turn. These emotional words were told by Anita Nair, who is an Indian novelist who writes her books in English language. She was born in Palakkad district of Kerala and she was educated in Chennai. Nair was working as a creative director of an advertising agency in Bangalore. She wrote her first book, a collection of short stories called Satire of the Subway, which was sent to her Anand Press. Anita's novel, The Better Man and Lady's Couple, have been translated into 21 languages. She also written the Puffin Book of Myths and Legends, which was published in the year 2004, a children's book on myths and legends. Anita has also written a few other books such as The Mistress, Adventure of Nonu, The Skating Squirrel, Living Next Door to Alice, The Magical Indian Myths, and Nair's work also included many travelogues. Her book Cut the Like the Wound introduced the fictional character Inspector Gowda. The second book in the series of Chain of Custody was published in the year 2015. It received the Kerala Sahitya Academy in the year 2012, the Hindu Literary Prize in the year 2014, and Crossword Book Award in the year 2017. Next, we are going to say about Anuradha Bhattacharya. I dance to the tune of live plays. Sometimes there is a thunderous applause and sometimes silence, but the play goes on. These are the words given by Anuradha. She is an Indian writer of poetry and fiction in English. Her novel, The One Word, was awarded the Best Book of the Year 2016. She was a junior researcher in the Department of Humanities and Social Science at the Indian Institute of Technology. The Road Not Taken is her first novel, published in the year 2015. Her story, Painting Black and Blue, was awarded in the International Short Story Contestant. Next, we are going to see about Kamala Das. I am a sinner, I am a saint, the beloved and the betrayed. I have no joys that are not yours, no aches which are not yours. I to call myself I. She was an Indian poet in English as well as an author in Malayalam. Kamala Das is noted for her poems and explicit in autobiographies. She was also a widely read columnist and wrote on diverse topics including women issues, child care, politics, and among others. Her open and honest treatment of female sexuality, free from any sense of guilt, infused her writing with power, and she got hope after freedom. Some of the novels of Kamala: Alphabet of Lust, My Story, A Doll for the Child Prostitute, The Serenes, Summer in Calcutta, The Old Playhouse, and other poems. Stranger Time, collected poems, the Annamalai poems, Only the Soul Knows How to Sing, My Mother at 66 were some of the famous writings of Kamala Das. Won the Kendra Sahitya Academy Award for English for her collection of poems. Next, it is Sakshi Deshpande. It is not just that life is cruel, but that it is the very process of our birth we submit to life's cruelty. Told by Deshpande. Sashi Deshpande is an Indian novelist. She is a recipient of the Sahitya Academy Award. She was born in Karnataka. Pandey has degrees in economics and law in Mumbai. She studied journalism at Vidya Bhavan and worked as journalist for months in a magazine on Lookup. Works of Deshpande. She published her first collection of short stories in 1978 and her first novel, The Dark Holds No Terror. And in 1980, she won the Sahitya Academy for her novel, The Long Silence, and in 1990, the Padma Shri Award. She has written 4 children's books, a number of short stories, and 9 novels. She has written several perceptive essays. Famous works of Sashi Deshpande: Long Silence, Dark Hole No Terrors, The Biding Wine, The Roots and Shadows, Small Remedies, The Country of Deceit, If I Die Today, A Matter of Time, and Moving On. These were some of the famous works of Sashi Deshpande. That's the thing about the books. They let you travel without moving your feet. Subscribe and stay in connect with my channel for the next journey in literature. Thank you.